On part 5 of our build series, here's the Trux Dual Revolution lights that we're installing on this truck. Everything will turn from the DOT legal amber or red, and auxiliary it will turn to green. If you like these videos, subscribe and hit the bell notification, and every time we put out a new video, you'll be notified. We're also going to start doing some how-to videos on certain parts of the truck. Like if you're wanting to know how to do certain things, comment below and give us ideas. Hopefully we can get an idea of what people are wanting to know. Here now is the star that goes inside your air cleaner to glow down, in this case green. The only unfortunate part is it will only glow green at this time. It will not do the dual revolution function. But here's everything all lit up. You can see the underglow coming out of the air cleaners. Everything turned to green. This is on auxiliary. Obviously this is not legal to go down the road with. This is only meant for when you're parking or taking those Instagram pictures that everybody has to have of their truck sitting sideways. Here it just shows what it looks like with the green lit up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Here we're putting on quarter fenders. These are Trux Accessories long drop quarter fenders. I think they're about 38 inches long. We put these on almost every truck we sell unless the truck's already spoken for, because we simply just don't know what people want for fenders. This one is a cheaper option that still looks good, but many people, you just don't know if they want stainless steel half fenders. You don't know if they want full fenders that are stainless, or if they want double hump fenders that are stainless, or if they want to go fiberglass. But if we put one of those more expensive options on, it just adds to the price of the truck at the end, and somebody might not want it. So we just put on this. Everything looks good, as you can see, and then if they want something else, we can always order that in and install it. Here we're putting on 8-inch McDonald Chrome mitered stacks. You notice these are 120-inch stacks. We order these in special, so there's no middle seam where things could leak or anything like that. We do the 120s. Just it's easier to install and less headache. And where we're at, most of our clientele is bull haulers and pig haulers, and they want the taller exhaust to get up over their trailers. So here we just I'm kind of fast forwarding through a lot of this, just showing you the process, how long it takes. This whole thing, I'm basically just showing you how to put on the top. We have to measure to see how tall we are off the ground to make sure you're legal. Along with, here in a minute, you'll see we got to put the level on to make sure everything's level. It doesn't take much of any. If you move just a little bit too far on the bottom, it throws the top way off and it just looks completely weird. So you just gotta take your time. All in all, the exhaust is a two-man job usually. We've done it with one. It's a pain in the butt that way, but it usually takes, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours if you count 2 people for man hours. So if you buy exhaust from us, we usually put it on at a very reasonable price. On a Peterbilt, Kenworth takes a little, depends on the step you have, and if you go with rod picket or if you go with the conventional Kenworth elbow, it just all takes, it all depends on the truck. But on Peterbilts, we pretty much always know what it's going to take. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribed. This is our first build that we're recording. It's about our 100th build in real life. So if you're interested in the products used on this truck, many of them are listed in the description below. Feel free to look at those and see if there's anything you need. Here we're just kind of showing how everything looks at the end of putting them on. Nice and clean. We like to do mitered stacks on pretty much everything we build that's not already spoken for. The reason is not everybody wants a flat top or a curve, but most people can agree that a miter looks good. So it just makes an easier process to sell to the general public. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks for watching. like to thank our build partner, Trux Accessories, for all the help in building these trucks. They have the best products, they have the best warranty. Make sure you check out their products in the description below.